Hello everyone, today there will be a maximally useful video for absolutely everyone. I will show you some tricky settings that few people know about, and you will be simply shocked. I will show you how you can watch your favorite YouTube absolutely without any internet. I mean that you can watch without mobile internet and without Wi-Fi. That is, when you have no way to connect to some network, you can watch your favorite videos. This will be a very good setting for those who go on some business trips or, perhaps, go somewhere to the country, where there is no connection, or in those situations, when there is absolutely no internet, but you need to watch some important information, and it just so happens to be on YouTube. That is, perhaps you watched some very useful video and when somewhere you need to apply something, some information, then you return to your YouTube and watch. But what to do if you do not have any access to the internet right now? Here I will show you some tricky settings that will really surprise you. You will be able to watch your favorite TV series, your favorite movies without the internet. Perhaps someone collects collections of clips or just some important information that should always be with you. But to apply it in any situation, now I will tell you everything and show you. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel and share with friends. So, look, we will not use absolutely any applications and programs. Immediately in order I will show some settings. They will immediately be a response to those comments that will sound. So, first, I click on the YouTube application. I go to about the application version 20.06.36. Application permission. Here we go to geolocation. Disabled. Go back to the general settings. Here we go to the standard settings. Look for geolocation at the bottom. We find this setting. The telecom operator can determine your location by base stations. Deny. Next, watch so that you do not get confused. I go to the settings. Here we scroll and find advanced settings. My region is set to this. Let's go back. Now look, go to YouTube itself. Then we look, go to the account, settings, general section. My location is set to this. Close all this. Go to the purchase line and paid subscriptions. And here YouTube Premium appeared for me. That is, it supposedly offers to connect for free for 2 months, and so on. Why did I go here? This is immediately a response to the comments that may come to this video. Specifically, in this section, which I went to, it shows whether there is a paid subscription or not. At the moment, I do not have one. On the contrary, it even simply offers it. That is, the most ordinary account. Now look what we are doing. I will show an example on films, but you, in principle, can use absolutely any content you want. So I go to YouTube, write down films or series there, it doesn't matter. In the search, it finds a certain number of things that can be watched now. Well, let's do this one after another, for example. Click. By the way, you see, an ad. This means that I don't have a YouTube Premium subscription. Let's pause. And here, look, there's an interactive line below. It scrolls with your finger. You need to find a button called Upload or Download. Usually it's a down arrow. Click and the download starts. You see, it's already saved. Well, let's try something else. And then there will be some example that I'll show you what we'll do next and how to use it all. What other settings are there and how you can fully use it in any situation. Well, let's wait until the download is in progress. Basically, I download everything in a row. As for if you want to download some big series, well, you know, for example, there are 20 to 30 episodes in one film, and here instead of 3 hours it might say 20 hours, 30 hours, 40 hours. All of this is also saved, you just need to wait longer for the download itself. Plus, keep in mind that you must have free internal memory, that is, to download all of this. If the film is about 3 hours long, like this one, well, it will take up about 450 to 500 megabytes. This is if you download in good quality. If you need information just to watch something or listen to something and so that it takes up little memory, then you can also set all of this in the settings. I'll show you further. Look, this has also downloaded. Well, now let's do that. Look what we do next. Here I turn off my Wi-Fi, and my mobile internet does not work. That is, mobile data does not work either. And now I even take and turn on the flight mode, that is, the airplane, so that it will definitely light up. That is, there is absolutely no connection. That is, we are now simulating the fact that we allegedly have no connection and no internet. Now look, we go to our YouTube. Here's the main page. Let's refresh. You see, it says no connection. Well, understandable, because there's no Wi-Fi network or mobile internet. Now let's look. Now when I re-logged in, it again says, no connection. But now we see all those films, all those series that we downloaded. For example, I used to download others too, and I always have them with me, even if I don't have any internet. Well, everything is very simple here. Here I take it, press it, and it all plays in any place now. And look, there is absolutely no internet. Here's the second film or series too. Absolutely nothing lags, everything plays normally. That is, absolutely any film or series in any place without the internet. This is a very cool function that few people use, but it is really very, very useful. You can even create some kind of music collections of clips of your favorites. You can download some series, watch them in your free time. In general, everyone will find their own use for this. If you want, for example, to free up memory, you no longer need something that you downloaded. Here we take the three dots, click and simply delete. Now look, I'm showing the following settings. If, for example, you do have internet, look, I click on Wi-Fi, remove the airplane, look, Wi-Fi has appeared. Well, and here it already says that there is a connection. We re-enter, we get to the main page. Where can we now look for all these videos? We go to our account. And here below, when you scroll, there is a download button. It will appear for you after the first download. Now look, click here. Well, and we see everything that we downloaded. Now look what else is available in the options. We go to the settings, here we scroll and find downloaded. Here you can set what quality you want to download in automatic mode. If you have the top point set, then when you click download you will have a choice of what is possible, what quality to choose. Then look, there is a button to download only via Wi-Fi. There are recommendations, that is, if you have already downloaded something there, you will immediately be offered something similar. Well, and here your memory will be shown. And if you need to delete everything at once with one click, you can also do this with just one button. I think that the video was useful for many.